Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to increase the downloading speed in Telegram. And here you can see this is one of my Telegram friend contact and they send the one video file. So I tried to download this file and you can see this file is downloading very slowly and it has a total file size as nearly 1.2 GB but it downloads only kilobyte speed. So it takes more time to download the entire file. So how to fix this problem? So you don't have to install third party or VPN something like this. It can be depends on your internet speed. Here I try to use a Telegram via desktop mode. So simply link your mobile device with this Telegram desktop application. You have to scan the QR code to link the device and the connection is made successfully. And also my Telegram contacts are successfully synced. So now I try to open that same Telegram friend contact and then I try to download that same video file again. And this time you can see this file start to download and it downloads very fast compared to Telegram mobile application. So there is no need to install any VPN or some other application in your mobile. And once the downloading process is completed, that downloaded files are visible in your Telegram desktop folder. And this folder is almost located in the drive C, so there is no confusion. So this is the way to increase your Telegram download speed. I hope this was helpful. If it is, like it and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.